Okay, how to make a sound play when a particular event occurs. So I just have two simple actors here on my stage. I have Barbie astronaut and an eggplant. What I'd like to happen is for Barbie to say something, make a sound every time she bumps into the eggplant. I have popped some simple code in here to ensure that Barbie can walk. So she is now walking across the stage. She bumps into the eggplant nicely enough. That's because we have started physics for her and also for the eggplant. And we've gone into the settings for the eggplant, made sure that it's static, which means that it stays put, cannot be budged by anything that bangs into it. All right, but that's sort of another tutorial. Let's get on with the sound. So Barbie's walking along, she hits the eggplant. So when does the sound occur? The sound occurs when she hits the eggplant. So for that, we need to find a control block that says if. And here it is here, if. If what? Well, if Barbie collides with the eggplant. Now, a collision is something that occurs in the world of physics, so we need the physics menu. If you can't see the physics menu, then click on more and you'll find that it'll open up a whole bunch of things that might not be visible to you. Just make sure that it's turned on. So in the physics menu, you'll see lots of blocks that have to do with things interacting with the environment and each other. The ones we're after are the ones with the word collided on it. So first, let's grab this one which starts things off. It says when actor collides. Pop that on top. When this actor, in other words, when astronaut Barbie collides, if she happens to collide with the eggplant, well, we haven't said that yet, so let's pop that in there, and it's this block here, collided with. At the moment it says mouse pointer, but we're going to change that. So for this you need to grab it and pop it into that little diamond shape. See how it just slots in there? That's great. Now let's change that so it doesn't say mouse pointer. We want it to say eggplant. Because the eggplant exists, it'll come up as an option, and there it is down the bottom. When Barbie collides with the eggplant, then what? Well, we want her to say something. At the moment, unfortunately, Barbie has nothing to say. We have not given her a voice. So the very first thing you need to do is add some sounds to Barbie's repertoire. We do this by clicking on the settings cog, and then you'll see a menu in the middle that says sounds. And sadly, Barbie currently has no sound, so let's add some for her. And I'm in the Barbie sound menu, and I'm going to find something that's voice-ish, voice-related to here. Let's try this one. Okay, let's add that one. That just makes me laugh for some reason. All right. So now Barbie has a voice. Let's pop the code in here that's needed for Barbie to make the sound. You'll notice that there is a sound menu. So let's go there. And we want the one that says play sound until done, because we don't want her singing it over and over and over. Just once will do. So play sound until done. Which sound? Well, just like over here with the eggplant, if you click on this empty box, you will see all of the sounds that are currently available to Barbie. So let's click on voice 1, which was the name of the sound we just added. And so now let's have a look and see what that looks like. Wow. Fantastic. For now, that's how you make an actor make a sound when a particular event occurs, and hopefully that was a bit of help to you guys. So see you next time.